You see that? Which made them very cranky. Where is the entrance? There it is. And they've got these sealed, so it's really hard to get them out sometimes. There we go. See, this is just because I'm disturbing their area. See, because they have everything sealed the way they want it. Right. We got a little smoke. We're going to calm these guys down. They're mad already. Looks like my smoker's already going out. That didn't take long. See, we're going to do the same thing on this one. I'm sorry I can't see the camera. I got two hands full. We're just going to crack these a little bit more. You see that first one, she's kind of aggressive. Calm down. Didn't change that much. This one here's weak, and so is this one. Oh, let me get my camera right. So we're not going to redo the entrance on them. Alright. Alright, these guys are going to get an entrance taken off. Oop, hang on. I got to get more than one hand. That's what I need. Alright. Here we go. We're going to do this one. Let's see if you can see. Let me get out crooked. Alright. Yep, alright. Are not working today. You see that? Okay, let's see if I can see it. Go away, dudes. They are mad. It's been a hot couple of days, so I can understand why they're mad. I was mad too. Alright. These guys are going to do the same thing. Like I said, it's 7:30 here in mid-Missouri. This is not working. I am so sorry, guys. Come on, stay up here. This tripod does not like tall grass. Come on, get off me. Hop this way. Already started. Alright. Stand back for a minute. Look at these. Okay, so the first one we popped. I want to say good morning to everybody who's joined. I can't hardly see the screen out here in the... let me see if I can get some messages. This is the first one we popped. You see they're calming down. There's the second.